In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up blocked exit detection. Blocked exit detection is a premium feature that allows you to receive a notification by text message or email whenever an exit door is obstructed. If you haven't already, please reach out to our support team to subscribe to this feature. Once you are subscribed, you can start by creating a motion zone. So first, open up a camera through the video page. Make sure that camera is the one that's pointing to the exit door that you want to track obstructions for. I've gone ahead and done that here. And just make sure you're also not in live mode. So if you are, turn that off. And next, you're going to come up to the More button and click Motion Zones. Come up to Zone Type and change that to Blocked Exit Alerts. And now we're going to highlight the door here. Now it's important to get the whole door. You also might want to do a little bit in front just in case there is something blocking there that could pose some sort of safety hazard. And when you're done, just click the Done button here. Now it's also recommended to ensure your camera is placed in an ideal position when facing the door to get the best results with this feature. And here are some examples of camera angles that you want to avoid. Next, we're going to start setting up our notifications. To start off, we need to make a blocked exit report. So here on the events page, we're going to come to the search bar and type blocked exit. Once you're done doing that, you can click Save Report. And let's just give the report name Blocked Exits. Check these boxes so that you get notified via SMS and email when a blocked exit event is created. Next, head to the dashboard page and create a blocked exit widget. These steps are also available in the Help Center article for blocked exit detection. And finally, we're going to create a threshold from the widget that we just created. You're going to click the More Actions here and then Create Threshold.